Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see how military drones are made. Military drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that are controlled remotely or operate autonomously. Here are some key points to consider when discussing how military drones are made. 1. Design. The first step in creating a military drone is designing the aircraft. This includes determining the size, shape, and capabilities of the drone, as well as the materials that will be used to construct it. Military drones come in a variety of designs, each with their own unique capabilities and features. Here are some key points to consider when discussing the designs of military drones. 1. Size and shape. Military drones come in a range of sizes and shapes, from small hand-launched models to large, winged aircraft. The size and shape of a drone can affect its speed, maneuverability, and payload capacity. 2. Flight characteristics. Military drones can be designed for different flight characteristics, such as fixed wing or rotary wing. Fixed-wing drones are typically faster and have a longer range, while rotary-wing drones are more maneuverable and can take off and land vertically. 3. Power source. Military drones can be powered by a variety of energy sources, including electric batteries, internal combustion engines, and even solar panels. The choice of power source can affect the drone's endurance, speed, and altitude capabilities. 4. Payload. Military drones can be equipped with a wide range of payloads, such as cameras, sensors, and weapons. The choice of payload can affect the drone's mission capabilities and overall effectiveness. 5. Autonomy. Military drones can be designed to operate autonomously or be controlled remotely. Autonomous drones can fly and complete a mission on their own, while remote-controlled drones require a human operator to control them. 6. Stealth. Some military drones are designed to be stealthy, with a low radar cross-section to make them harder to detect. These drones are typically used for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. After finalizing the design process, it comes to 2. Manufacturing. Once the design is complete, the next step is to manufacture the drone. This typically involves using a combination of traditional manufacturing techniques, such as welding and machining, as well as newer technologies like 3D printing and composites. 3. Components. Military drones require a variety of specialized components, such as sensors, cameras, and communication systems. These components are often sourced from different manufacturers and then integrated into the drone during the manufacturing process. 4. Testing. Before a military drone can be deployed, it must undergo rigorous testing to ensure that it is safe and reliable. This typically includes ground-based testing, as well as flight testing to verify that the drone can operate as intended in a variety of conditions. 5. Deployment. Once a military drone has been manufactured, tested, and certified, it is ready for deployment. Depending on the type of drone, it may be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, or even offensive operations. 6. Maintenance. After the deployment, it's important to maintain the drone. Regular inspections and maintenance are required to ensure that the drone remains safe and reliable over time. We will be covering everything about drones. Stay in touch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more interesting videos.